Hello everybody. Now we are discussing example 3. That means problem solving in the mirror formula. Example 3 we will discuss. Two examples are completed. This is of convex mirror type. Convex mirror example number 3 we are discussing now. Here given R. R means here radius of curvature. Radius of curvature 3 meter. U is 10 meter. U value, object distance is 10 meter. We have to find the V. That means image distance. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U is the formula for the mirror. Mirror formula is that one. But here F is not there. First we have to find F. Then we have to apply one rule. U is greater than 2F for that one. Next we have to apply sign convention and we have to do the problem. So let's start now. Given F is not given. So how to find F? R is given. But we are having one formula. R is equals to 2F. This is one of the formula. Radius of curvature is equals to twice the focal length. R is equals to 2F. So R is 3 meter. 3 is equals to 2F. F we have to find. So 3 by 2 which is 1.5 meter. F is 1.5 meter. We have got now. F is there. U is there. We have to find the V. So, first we have to write like this. F is equals to 1.5 meter. U is equals to 10 meter. So, which rule here? U is less than 2F or U is greater than 2F. Those all we have to see. U is greater than 2F now. U greater than 2F. 10 greater than 2 into 1.5 it is 3. 10 is greater than 3. So, U is greater than 2F. U is greater than 2F means we get the diminished image. Diminished image. In convex, certain distance is given. So, there is only one ray diagram. In concave means we have to take between C and F. So, here only one ray diagram. We have to take the behind the mirror. U is greater than 2F. Virtual and direct image. So, let's draw the diagram for that. Ray diagram. This is the convex mirror. Pole point, focus and center of curvature. One ray parallel to principal axis passing through the focus. This is the object O dash. Is the object parallel to principal axis passing away means diverging passing through the focus, appears to passing through the focus. Second ray we can take from the center of curvature like this. Is undeviated. Both rays here intersection. So image I dash. I dash is the image. This is the indication virtual and erect for the image. Between F and P image is forming. So sign convention going like this and the object distance is like this. Formula is F is 1.5 meter and U is 10 meter. Formula 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. First write down the values. 1 by 1.5 is equals to 1 by V. We are finding here. V image distance plus 1 by 10. So, focal length convex mirror. Convex mirror focal length always positive. Concave is negative. So, 1 by 1.5 is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by, for here V we are finding, for that no need of sign convention. After finding the problem with sign convention it will come. V is a positive. That with sign convention. U is 10. So, direction in this way it is going. But object distance from pole it is in the opposite direction. Both are opposite. So, negative. 1 by minus 10 here. 1 by 1.5 is equals to 1 by V plus here 1 by V plus of this we can write as minus 1 by 10. 1 by minus 10 and minus 1 by 10. Both are Same. Plus into minus, minus. So 1 by v minus 1 by 10. Here 1 by v we have written minus 1 by 10. One 1.5 we can write as 15 by 10 now. It is in the decimal. 1.5 we are writing it in the fraction. 1 by 1.5. 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is 1.5. Same. So 15 by 10 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 10. 10. Same. Yes. 1 by 15 by 10. 10 goes to the numerator. Means 1 by a by b means b by a. No? It is reciprocal. This denominator goes up. Then only we will get the problem here. So 10 goes up. 10 into 1. Division is there. It goes up, multiplies. 10 into 1. 10 by 15 is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by 10. So 10 by 15 is 5 table, both will cancel. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 2 by 3 is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by 10. 2 by 3, let it be here only. Minus 1 by 10, send this side. Plus 1 by 10 is equals to, as it is, p value same. LCM of 3 and 10. It is 30. So we will check here 3 and 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. LCM is 30. 3 goes 10 times here. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 10 3. 10 3s are 30. 3 into 1 3. Which is 1 by v. 20 plus 3. It is 23. 23 by 30 is equals to 1 by v. 1 by v is 23 by 30. V means we are reciprocal. Reciprocal we are doing. V is equals to RHS we are reciprocal. So LHS also we should do reciprocal. 30 by 23. So we have to do this division. 30 by 23. Value is 1.15. V value is 1.15 here. 1.15 meters. Meters. Positive. Here positive indicates it is in the convex mirror and virtual and direct. Actual main reason is it is in the virtual and direct. That's why positive it comes. V value. In this problem, in this video we have discussed one the example where radius of curvature is given. How to find the V value. Thank you.